Hello, my friend. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you the HRV maintenance. So, my friend, if you see this symbol, so that means your furnace filter need to be replaced. So, your HRV system need your help in this time. So, you just need to turn off this unit and just follow some steps. And I will show you how you can clean and change your furnace filter.
So my friends, whenever you are going to change the HRV filter, make sure you switch off the power, otherwise the dust will be easily go inside. So see the light. So if you can see this light, that means the power is on, and make sure you switch off the power before touch this unit, otherwise the dust will enter to your motor and it will affect. Okay my friends, so here is the switch.
So my friends, now you can see there is no light anymore, so you are good to go. So my friend, when you open the unit, you can see the black arrow which goes to the right direction. So make sure whenever you are going to replace the filter, the arrow should be on the same side. Like just make sure, do not put the wrong side. So just carefully remove the old filter. And my friend, there is a one more number you have to be watch clearly. So this is your furnace filter. So like you can see 1625 into 5. So this is the number you have to purchase a new filter. And if you purchase the wrong one, you have to go back and purchase a new one. It's not gonna be fit properly. So my friend, make sure you purchase the correct one according to your furnace filter. And yeah, you can find easily in your furnace filter. If you're not sure, just bring the old one to the any store where you want to purchase.
So my friend, make sure you follow the arrow. So when you have a new filter, I do not have with me right now, so I'm just going to, so just make sure everything is good inside. Follow the arrow, you can see that on that direction. Make sure this arrow is on same direction, and put it back. So whenever you have a new filter, just put it back and make sure again the power is turned off. And you have to put this shield. Make sure you clean this as well. And yeah.
So now, my friend, you need to turn on the power again, and yeah, so you have to check the light again. So if you can see the light, that means your furnace is working again, and you can hear the sound as well. Yeah, I hope you listen the sound. So that means your furnace is working properly again now. Now, my friend, please go back to your wall control unit. Now you can again see the symbol. Just shut down your the control panel for few seconds. Press the button and turn it on again, and you can see there is no maintenance symbol anymore. So that means your control panel is also reset properly, and you're good to go. Thank you.